Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Huh? Ma'am, I think it's comprehension.
No, it is English creative period.
In the timetable, ma'am, it's not written CW, it's written only C. Yes, ma'am.
There is EC. E for English, C for creative.
Check, check the timetable again.
Yes, beta. Shirsh is right. It is English comprehension. EC stands for
Ma'am,
English comprehension. Take out your English
ma'am, please.
comprehension. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, I forget to send you the next chapter. Ma'am, please wait, I'm just sending.
Yes, beta. Yes, send it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arav.
ma'am, this is SST class.
No, beta. SST class has already been over. This is your English creative writing class.
Okay, ma'am.
Comprehension.
Oh, yes, English comprehension class. Take out your English comprehension books, all of you. The Owl and the Pussycat, page number 63.
Ma'am, this page number.
63. So, this story seems to be a very interesting one. Something takes place between the owl and the pussycat. Let's see what takes place between the both of them, between the two of them, the owl and the pussycat. It is a poem. It is not a chapter, it is a poem. Now write two rhyming words for each of the given words. Okay. Start writing rhyming words of your own. All of you in class 4, I hope all of you know what are rhyming words. Yes?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let me put my laptop on charging. It's going low. Till then, you please find out the rhyming words of the given words.
Ma'am, what are rhyming words? Ma'am,
Rhyming words are the words that have same sounds, like right, night. Yes?
right.
Coil,
This is
spoil.
And ma'am, kite also.
By
Ma'am,
kite.
kite.
Yes, kite, fight. Yes, this is also rhyming word that have same sound, ending sounds.
Ma'am, rhyming words we have to do in notebook.
Beta, it is given, the
Ma'am,
space is given in the book itself. We don't do English comprehension in copy, in a separate copy. We do it in the same book. Arav, what is wrong?
okay, ma'am.
There is so much space given for two words. Do it there only.
What we are doing?
Who is asking me this question? What we are doing?
Mama, Dhruv.
Dhruv, beta, see, can you see this whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
What is written on the
Yes, ma'am.
whiteboard?
The owl and the views cat.
Pussycat. And what is the subject written on the top?
Ma'am, English comprehension.
Have you taken out the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are starting. I have to given time to children to write the rhyming words given at the beginning of this poem. Write the rhyming words and then tell me, all of you, those who have done, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of chess?
Spelling of which word?
Ma'am, chess.
Chess. C-H.
Yes, ma'am.
Chess, the game, the board game. C-H-E-S-S.
Yes, ma'am.
Chess.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of geese?
G-E-E-S-E. Geese.
Ma'am, G-E-E-S-E.
Yes, beta, yes.
So, ma'am,
Ma'am,
spelling
I have
has
done.
to be. So, ma'am, the pronunciation have to be similar, but not the spelling.
Which word are you talking about? Similar to what?
Ma'am, like cheese, geese.
Yes, so it is rhyming word only. Cheese, geese. Please. Please is also rhyming to it. It should be a rhyming
Excuse
word.
me,
It's
ma'am.
not necessary that spellings should be same.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, our Anmol, what
Ma'am,
is-
I have done. Can I send?
No, don't send. We'll just discuss. Everyone has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Everybody,
No,
first of
ma'am.
all, open your cameras. All of you. All of you, just open your cameras. No one is opening. Those whose cameras were on, only their camera is on. Arush, Kanishka,
Ma'am?
Arpit, Yuvraj, Sarthak.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why does Athav covered his camera
I
with
don't
something?
Atharv, beta, what are you up to? Why isn't your camera on?
Ma'am, in every class I think that there's some problem, but ma'am, now I get to know he just cover his camera.
Ma'am, I know he
Sometimes-
put his finger on the camera like this.
And Atharv used to be the only boy in the previous online session who used to keep his camera on. And now he has started doing some naughty things. Huh, Atharv? Atharv has left the meeting? Yes, he has left. Okay. What is the rhyming word for fight?
Ma'am, white,
Ma'am, I can
right,
tell.
kite.
Yes.
Ma'am, night and night.
Night, kite, right.
I have written fight, right, kite.
Yes. There can be
Ma'am, I
many
am right
rhyming words.
and night.
Very good, very good. Rope. Rope.
Ma'am, rope,
and
soap,
tool.
poke. Ma'am, rope, soap, poke.
Why poke?
Ma'am,
You have
soap and tool.
P, at least P in the end, beta.
And soap.
Okay, soap, hope. Yes, hope is a word, soap is a word. Then any
And then tool.
hope.
And tall.
Tall? No, tall.
Ma'am, a tall. Catch.
Wait, Anmol, if you have written tall as a rhyming word for rope, then it is wrong, beta. Tall and rope have no rhyming.
Ma'am, crop.
Crop, yes, crop can be a little close to rope. Rope, hope, slope, soap. Yes, these can be rhyming words. Then patch,
Ma'am, the C one is very easy.
patch.
Ma'am, a cat. Ma'am, a cat and match.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Catch.
catch, match, catch. Ma'am, patch, match, catch.
Yes.
Ma'am, catch. This I also written.
Okay. Then took.
Ma'am,
Look,
cook
look.
and
Ma'am, took, look, look.
Ma'am, took look.
Okay.
Ma'am, cook and look.
Cook, hook, look. Yes.
Ma'am, I have written took, look, cook.
So it can be hook
I
also.
am also written.
H-O-O-K, hook. Then cheese. What is the rhyming word for cheese?
Ma'am, cheese, geese,
Ma'am,
please.
Very good. Please.
Ma'am, chess and eat.
No.
teacher, spelling of cheese.
Better chess and cheese. They are two similar kind of words, but there is no rhyming. Chess and cheese. Anmol, do you think it's a rhyming word? It is not. Cheese, geese, please, seize, sneeze. So many words are rhyming to the cheese. It should have same sound. It should not have same spellings, beta. The sound should be same. Okay? Yes, Dhruv, what were you asking?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell last one chess.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese, geese, please.
See, you can write please. You can write sneeze. What is sneeze? What is to sneeze? Tell.
Ma'am, cheek.
Ma'am, cheekna.
Yes.
Cheek.
Yeah.
No.
Please sneeze. Then geese, like Shish said. Geese. Geese is what? The plural of goose.
Ma'am, go.
Now, coming on to the poem. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. Okay, in a pea.
Ma'am, can we do?
Shh, wait, let me read it out for you. You all try to understand it. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars above. Oh, lovely pussy, oh, pussy, my love. What a beautiful pussy you are. You are, you are. What a beautiful pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you elegant fowl. Now, what does the pussy say? You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. But what, underline the word tarried. But what shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows. And there in a wood, a piggy wig stood with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, his nose. With a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling? What is shilling? Shilling is like rupee. It is a currency. So now what do they ask? Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling? Your ring, said the piggy. I will. So they took it away and were married next day. But the turkey who lives on the hill, they denied on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with a runkable spoon. Underline the word runkable. And also the word mince and quince, slices of quince and denied on mince. Underline the word denied also. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, the moon. They danced by the light of the moon. So finally, this owl and pussy could marry each other. They could manage a ring for themselves and they got married. Now, all the underlined words, you will find out the meaning yourself. Find out the meaning of the word mince. Everybody first look for the meaning of the word mince.
Ma'am, can you tell the
Ma'am, I
all
find
the
the
words? We have to find the meaning, ma'am, because I was gone to drink water.
Okay. Starting from the beginning, beta. Foul.
Ma'am, I find the word means in the third paragraph.
Meaning. I told you to find the meaning, not the word, but the meaning. Okay, now everybody just very carefully listen to which all words you have to find. See. Okay, let me write the words here on the board. Okay, everybody can see from here one by one and find out the meaning. Foul. Then the next word goes tarried. Tarried. Tarried.
Ma'am, can you tell the word that we have to find in the dictionary first?
Rishabh, what am I doing on the board? What did I say? I'm writing the words on the board. Look from here and see in the dictionary.
Ma'am, next one.
Beta, I'm writing. Wait, let me read. You have found the meaning of both of them? Till then,
No,
start
ma'am,
finding. Start finding till then.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, till means
No, after means the next word is runkable.
okay, ma'am, it is runkable spoon.
Yes, runkable spoon.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I find the meaning of foul.
Of foul. Okay. You have to find the meaning of all the words, beta. First, find out the meaning.
Ma'am, should I tell the meaning?
No, not now. You will tell it when you will have found the meaning of all the words.
So, ma'am, I will write in one rough notebook this.
Either you can write in the rough notebook or you can write it in your book itself above the word. Okay.
Otherwise, it will lost.
Yes.
We have to search from.
Beta, you have to search the meaning of these words from the dictionary yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, in my dictionary, there is not the meaning of foul.
Okay, leave it. If it is not there, leave it.
Ma'am, there is FOUL, not WL.
Okay, leave it if it is not there. FOUL,
Ma'am,
foul.
because I think the dictionary is old, and ma'am, I think the foul is newly added.
The word FOWL, foul, means a bird.
Ma'am, a bird that has keep it her eggs.
Fowl is a bird in simple language. Okay.
And ma'am, the second one is bird as a group.
Okay, beta. Now don't tell Rishabh. Everyone is finding. Today Pratyaksh is absent. He has not joined. We have one more period together, right? Today we have a class in one more period, that is, let me just check. That is the 5th period. Okay, we are going to continue English comprehension only in that period.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, pounded.
Good.
Foul. I was thinking it was not there. Ma'am, it is a bird such as a chicken that is kept for its meat and eggs,
Okay.
or the meat of its type of bird.
Ma'am, in my also it is written.
Good, good, good. Wonderful. Very good.
Ma'am, what is second word?
Beta, the second word is tarried.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the second word is TARRY.
TARRIED.
Mom,
Yes.
Mom, I was saying that, ma'am, tarried is I think, past of tarry.
Yes. So you should look for the meaning of the word tarry then. Yes. What is the meaning of the word tarry? Then we
To
will.
stay in a place, especially when you should leave.
Okay. To still be there, to still be present, but you should not actually be at that place anymore. And still you linger on to be there. That is what tarry means.
Sorry.
Ma'am, can you tell us spelling of Terry?
Beta, tarry means, like say suppose I go to a party, huh? And then I'm a guest over there. And all guests leave, only family members remain there. So
Ma'am,
I still tarry to that place. So that is, I should leave because all the guests have left. I should also leave, but I am still being there. I'm still being wait. I'm still staying at a place where I'm supposed to leave. That is to say tarry.
and ma'am, can you tell us spelling of Terry also?
Yes, Anmol, now you say beta.
Ma'am, I find the meaning of word shilling.
Okay, very good. Yes, Rishabh, what are you asking?
Ma'am, I have also find. Ma'am, can I tell the meaning of shilling?
No, don't
Ma'am,
tell
I
now.
can
Let
tell.
beta, let everybody find the meanings first. All of you, please. If you have found, that's very nice. Does not mean you'll keep telling the meaning of the words. There are other students also who are finding.
Ma'am, what is fourth word?
Fourth word, 1, 2, 3, 4, quince. Now find the meaning of quince. Quince. Oh God.
Ma'am, we have to write these meanings somewhere.
In the book itself, beta, जहाँ book में लिखी है poem, उसी के ऊपर word के ऊपर you can write the meaning. So that when you read out, you know the meaning of the words.
Ma'am, I forgot to write, and ma'am, I have to
Now, if
find
you
that
remember,
again.
because you have seen in the dictionary, now if you remember, you just write it down. Children, your attendance is not coming up to mark. When you all were coming to school, you had a good attendance. But now I can see so many A's in my register. Why is that happening? Huh? Be regular in your online classes also. There are students who are just not attending the classes.
Ma'am, I am but regular.
Who is regular? Anmol. Yes, Anmol is regular. Shirsh is regular. Rishabh, Stuti, all these students are regular. Arav, you're also not being regular now. And who is not being regular? Devansh. You also need to be more regular. Attend all your classes, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
The next class has already joined in.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, 4th C. Good morning.
Ma'am, what is fifth one?
The fifth word is mince. M-I-N-C-E. So children, that is all for today. Let me restart the meeting. Class 4th C, 4th B can leave now. You can move for your next class, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.